Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can send a fax using your phone for free. Very easy guys, very simple. Sometimes the banks or the financial institutions or maybe your lawyer or your accountant will require you to send them a fax with particular documents. So what you're gonna do, you're going to go on the Apple store and you're gonna download this app over here. It's called Fax Burner. You're gonna download Fax Burner and then you're gonna create a new free account and you're gonna be able to send up to 3 fax messages for free. How you're gonna go about is when you actually log in, you're gonna come over here and you're going to create a new fax. You're gonna come over here where it says send faxes and you're going to click on compose a fax. When you come over here, you're going to input the number of the institution or the person that you have to send the fax to. Then you gotta put the cover letter note, meaning this particular document or this image is in reference to number X dash, for example. And then you wanna make sure that you utilize the last function, which is the plus sign on the right side, where you include all the documents, all the pages. Remember, you can include up to 5 images if I'm not mistaken over here, 5 files. And remember, everything will be black and white. So you want to make sure that when you upload them, there is a function to see a preview. And when you have the preview function, you want to make sure that everything is clear, visible, and readable. Because this is not gonna look like the same way you took the pictures, or this is not gonna look like the same way when you create the documents on docs. So this is how you're sending faxes for free from your device. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and come back for more.